Hi everybody, it's Lou Manfredini, Ace's home expert, and today I'm going to give you some tips on blow drying your hair. No, actually I'm going to give you tips on how to fix a screen, and a hair dryer actually comes in handy. Now, this is a screen with a little bit of a tear in it there. It would drive you crazy. Now, certainly you could rescreen this whole thing, and there's actually a video that you'll find on our YouTube channel to help you do that. But if all you want to do is make either a quick repair or a repair that's sort of semi-permanent, I've got a tip for you. There are these screen repair patch kits that you can buy that come in different colors. This is a gray screen right here, and we have a patch right here that's gray as well. This particular one has an adhesive on it, but it doesn't activate until you use the hair dryer. So what you want to do is match that up color-wise. You can see it's pretty close to cover up there, and you don't need to use this whole thing. I would just take a pair of scissors and kind of orient it over the crack and just make it big enough to cover it, because if you make the patch too big, then it's a little bit more conspicuous of what you did there. And I'm going to go ahead and cut it, and I'm going to go make sure that it's right over the top. If you see that it's stretched out a little bit, just try and smooth it out with your hand a little bit, and then go ahead and place that patch on there. Now, the fact that I'm doing a little demo here, I'm going to hold this back so it doesn't fall. You'd be using two hands to do this, but you hold it in place, then you take the hair dryer on the heat setting about an inch or so away, and what that's going to do is warm up the adhesive, and you're just going to kind of go around until it sticks. Just takes a few minutes. Probably takes about a minute or so, and while it's not perfect, it does blend in a little bit with the same color, and it will keep the bugs out. You could do this yourself, absolutely. If you need more help or advice, just go to your local Ace hardware store. Remember, Ace is the helpful place.